Hey, what's up, y'all? This is Taylor with HMH Films Production, and so right now I'm on my sorry about that. So right now I'm on my computer just looking for a new camcorder and a tripod for my birthday, cause I want to get one for my birthday so I can do more videos and stuff like that. So yeah, so I'm just looking on here for tripods. So I'm just go to shopping. Because on my 18th birthday, I will be able to afford one. So we have some on here. Oh, and on my Instagram page, I don't know if I'm going to do one on my repost fan page, like a giveaway. If I don't know if I have well, yeah, I do have stuff to give away though, but yeah. So, but anyways, like I said, if I find some stuff that I want to give away, but I don't know if y'all really want it or not. I don't know, but yeah, cause I know some of my stuff comes up missing though. Oh, this one's nice, but this is $69. Well, that. Well, it does have some lighting, but that would be great. But yeah, I just want a camcorder with the tripod on it, so I could put it on there and do my vlog videos. I wish I had. Well, yeah, I do have a tripod, but I do have one, but it doesn't have the part where you standing up, but I have to put my Legos just to hold it up. So yeah. So yeah. So sorry y'all. like I just did yeah, like I did say, I do have some sinus infections. So yeah, this would be nice. My sister and them is just so yeah, I'm just looking for a camcorder for my birthday gift. And like I did say, I am gonna do a birthday vlog and go out. Well, yeah. Well, no, I didn't say I was going. Well, yeah, I am going to go out, but I just didn't say that last part in the last video. So yeah, it's looking, cause I know this one right here is it says it's full HD. So I like something with HD. with HD. And let me see. Yep, I'm already logged in. I signed up for an account. But yeah, this would be really nice. It's just $59.99. So yeah, that would be nice for me to have. So I can just video and vlog. So yeah. Alright then. Oh, and I also have the Google Assistant, but he's asleep. But he or she is. But he's asleep. I call it a he. But yeah, he's asleep in the drawer. So yeah. Alright, y'all. Well, this was my little video. Alright. Bye, y'all.